So, hello everyone, this side Ankita, and today I'm gonna tell you about the marketing plan of Forever Living Products India in English. So, before I'll discuss this, I just wanted to suggest you something on my personal note. Once you will get this opportunity in your life, never ever say no. Trust me, if you're ignoring this, if you're saying no, you are doing the biggest mistake of your life. Why I'm saying this? Because I know the power of Forever Living Products International. So don't do the pre-assumptions, just go through the deep and then decide, because opportunity knocks your door at once only. And maybe this particular platform can change your life on a 360-degree note and can prove as a turning point of your life. Now, first of all, I just wanted to tell you how you can enter into this life changing opportunity and how you can become a member of this forever family. For this, what you have to do, you have to register yourself with the company. Just after the registration, you will get an ID of 12 digit. This 12-digit ID allows you not only working in India, even out of the India. Why I am saying this? Because Forever is working globally. That means currently we are dealing with 170 countries, which makes allows you to expand your business not only in national level as well as on international level. Okay, so what is the next step? Just after the registration, now you are working here on this particular platform as a preferred customer. Okay, so on this level you are getting one advantage. What advantage you are getting at this level? You are getting the 15% discount on each and every product of the Forever Living. Now, what are the products we are dealing now? We are dealing with the aloe vera based and honey based products. Okay, because we are the largest producer and distributor of aloe vera and honeybee all over the world. Okay, so we are dealing with the same products. Now you are getting the 15% discount on each and every product, okay, which you can enjoy throughout your life. But if you want to become a business owner in this life changing opportunity or platform, so you have to do a small requirement. You have to complete a very small requirement. What is that requirement? Suppose that if you want to expand your business nationally or internationally, for this you have to complete your 2cc. Until and unless you are not completing your 2cc, you are not eligible to expand your business. Now the next step, I'm telling you what is 2cc and why you have to do this. What is the importance? Okay, now what is 2cc? 2cc is equals to 2 case credits, or you can say 2 case currency. What are the case currency? Case currency are the points which has given by the company to each and every product. Why company has given these points to the products? As we know, we are dealing with 170 countries and every country's currency is totally different. So to avoid the discrimination and partiality, company has given the points to each and every product. Now, whatever the points of the products will be there, according to that points, whatever the currency of the different country will be there, their price has been decided. If we are talking about India, in India 2cc is equals to 2000 points. It means when you are completing the 2000 points from your given ID, from your personal 12-digit ID, you are eligible to work as a forever business owner, and now you will get a license to work globally, not only on India, even out of the India. Okay, now what is the importance of 2cc? Why this 2cc is very important to do here? Okay, so many people are saying, why this 2cc is necessary? What is the need of 2cc? I am saying why it is not so. Why it is not so? It's very important. How we can say that? Suppose that, what is this? Forever is actually working on a franchisee system, right? And if we are talking about this also, we are also getting actually a franchisee on which we can working as a forever business owner. So we can use this franchisee as a personal business, and we can make this as a personal business, right? If you're talking about any franchisee system, if you're taking the name of any franchisee, any kind of brand franchisee, you have to pay some crores of rupees. You know that, lakhs to crores of rupees for the name of the franchisee only, like Haldirams, like Starbucks and all. And then money is yours, place is yours, raw material is yours, worker will be yours, so many large huge investments. But here Forever is an international brand and a very higher level. It gives your franchisee as a free. Forever is not taking a single money from you for their particular franchisee. What he wants, just in return, Forever says that you just complete a small requirement, that is 2cc or 2000 points from your personal ID, so that I'll get that you are eligible for this particular business or not. Why this eligibility test? Some people are saying, what is the need of that? Why it is not necessary? For example, suppose that you have done your intermediate, right? You have done your intermediate, and just after doing your intermediate, you are going for the vocational education. What is the meaning of vocational education? Vocational education is an education which gives or which allows you to earn the money after that. So suppose that you are going in a engineering field, you are going in a doctor's field, or you are going to become a banker. Did you think just after doing your intermediate and banking education, taking your banking education, you are getting job, you will get the jobs instantly? No, na. What you have to do for this? Suppose that you are going in a banking line only. First of all, you have to take the proper knowledge. You have to spend the money upon the education of banking. Then you have to give the entrance. Then you have to give the interview. Then after that, they will select you that you are eligible for the particular post or not. They will check you each and every single time. Why they are checking? That we are providing you such an opportunity which makes you allows to earn the money. With the help of that money, you can make your dreams fulfill, you can live your life lavish, so very easily you can get the money. No, they are checking you each and every time that you are able to that handle that post or not. Similarly, here also Forever is not asking for any kind of money, and they are giving the franchisee as a free in your hand, in your plate. But they are also asking the same thing. They are also wants to check you that you are eligible to handle this position, to expand this particular business, जो कि means this business is not a small level business. Okay, this is a brand. So if any brand is giving you franchisee, and by taking the name of that franchisee, you are eligible to work upon it and expand your money and as well as fame. So why this is not necessary? Why you are not taking, why you people are taking as a challenge? This is a very good thing. Okay, so here you can start your business with the zero investment, with no risk. Okay, so just try to understand the concept and then decide. Okay, so now I'm gonna tell you about the income plan in brief. And first of all, I'll explain the main income plan, and then I'll elaborate about the new policy changes which has been done in 2021. So let's get started. So now I'm going to discuss the income plan. I have made some graphs on the paper, as you can see here. So one by one I will discuss the income plan, and also will tell you the benefits on each and every level. Okay, so I have just told earlier also that once you register with this particular company, you are working as a preferred customer at the very first level. Okay, so this is the first level, that is preferred customer. Here you are getting one advantage, that is a 15% of discount on each and every product. Means you can enjoy this particular discount throughout your life. Okay, but if you want to become a consumer of this company, but if you want to start the business, if you want to expand your business and earn a handsome money, for this what you have to do, you have to achieve one level, that is of 2cc level. 2cc level is also termed as assistant supervisor level, and it is also termed as VIP level. Once you have done the 2cc business from your personal ID, you are achieving this level that will be termed as assistant supervisor level. As I have told you, 2cc is equals to 2000 points. Similarly, the rupees of 2cc will be 30,000, because 1,000cc, 1cc is equals to 15,000 rupees. So 2cc will be 30,000 rupees. Okay. Now, Once you've done the 2cc or 2000 points of business from your given id, you will become an assistant supervisor. At this level you are getting so many benefits. Okay, what are the benefits? You are getting the 30% of discount on the each and every products. Here you are getting only 15% at a preferred customer level, but here the discount has been increased. Now it will be 30% discount on each and every product. Along with the 30% of discount, you are also getting the 5% of cashback on each and every active billing. Active billing means whatever the retail you have done from your own id, you will get the 5% of cashback also. Okay, along with this you are getting the 20% of referral commission. Referral commission means at this level you are also eligible to start building your team. So suppose that you have recruited any 2 members, 3 members or 5 members, so and that they will also do their 2cc level, they will also do their business. So according to each and every person, whatever the person you have recruited under you, you will get the 20% of referral commission from each and every one. So suppose that you have recruited only 2 members under you after completing the 2cc, so from each and every person you will get the 12,000 of rupees, I mean 6,000 of rupees from each and every person. And because you have recruited 2%, so 2 into 6, it will be 12,000 rupees. Okay. Now it can be more than that also. It depends upon you that how many members you are recruiting under your guidance. Okay. Now come to the next level. Next level is called supervisor level. In this level, the discounts and the income source will also be increases. How this level can be achieved? Very easy. You have to recruit any 4 to 5 persons in your team. Okay, you have to make a 4 to 5 persons team. Okay, it means after 2cc you have to recruit at least 4 to 5 persons under you and make them allowed to do the 2cc. When 5% will do the 2cc of business, when 5% will do the 2cc of business, then 5 into 2 is equals to 10. You will achieve the 10cc in 1 month. And for each and every level, we are getting 2 consecutive months to complete. So in 1 month, we can complete the 10cc, and in other month, with the help of other 5 members, we can complete the 20cc. Similarly, the 5cc will be done by the same person. Okay, by recruiting them. Okay, so with the help of very easy method, we can do our 25cc of business. Okay, now in this level, what you are getting? You are getting the same discount bonus, that is 30% of discount on the product. And now the cashback amount which you are getting on this assistant supervisor level, only 5%, but here it will be increased and you are getting the 8%. Okay, so cashback amount or percentage has also been increased. Now next is at the supervisor level, referral commission will also be increases. Here you will get the referral commission of 23%. And one more income has added in along with these 3 income. What is the next income? At supervisor level, once you have done the 25cc of business from your personal ID in any 2 consecutive months, you are now eligible to get the 3% of volume bonus. Volume bonus means whatever your team is doing, whatever your team is working, and whatever the business they are generating, all total together 3% extra income you are also getting in your check. That is 3%. So along with these 3 income, the next income has also been started in the form of volume income, that is of 3% at supervisor level. Okay. Now the next one, come to the next one. The next level is assistant manager level. For completing this level, you have to do 75cc from your ID. Once you have done the 75cc from your ID in any 2 consecutive months, you are eligible to take this that tag, that is assistant manager. At this level, the product discount will be the same, that is of 30%. Okay, but the cashback amount will be increases. Here you are getting 8, but here you are getting 13% of cashback price. That is on your active billing, retail billing. Okay. Now, along with this, referral commission at this level, it will also increases and it will become 28%. Means at assistant supervisor, referral commission will be 20%. At supervisor level, referral commission will be 23%. At assistant manager level, it will be 28%. Okay. Along with this, your volume bonus will also be increases. Volume bonus has been started from the supervisor level and it will be 3% at this level, but on assistant manager level, it will be increases and become 5%. Okay, so 5% of volume bonus you are getting from whole your team. Okay, next, come to the manager level. This level is also termed as dream level. To complete your dream level, to achieve your dream level, you have to complete the 120cc of business from any 2 consecutive months. Once you have done the 120cc of business from 2 consecutive months, you are becoming a manager. Okay. At this level also, the percentage on the discount percentage on products will be the same, that is 30%. But the cashback amount will increases, that is 18%. Okay. Along with this, 33% of referral commission you are getting at manager level and 13% of volume bonus. Means at every level, the percentage is getting increases. Okay. Here we have started with the 15% of discount. Here we are getting 30% of discount on products. Here also same, here also same, here also same. Okay. Then assistant supervisor level, we are getting the 5% of cashback. Supervisor level, we are getting the 8% of cashback. Assistant manager 13% of cashback and as manager 18% of cashback. Okay. Here at assistant supervisor level, we are getting the 20% of referral commission. Supervisor level, we are getting the 23% of referral commission. Assistant manager level, we are getting 28% of referral commission, and at manager level, we are getting the 33% of referral commission. Okay. Similarly, along with these 3 kind of income, one more income has also been started, that is the volume bonus. This volume bonus income has been started from the supervisor level. So first you will get the 3% at supervisor, then 5% at assistant manager, and then 13% at manager level. Okay. So this, like this, once you will reach up to manager level, your income is 60,000 and above. Generally, the people who is achieving this level, their minimum source of income will be 1 lakh or sometime 1 lakh plus. I have written minimum amount. Okay. It can be no limit. So now I'm going to tell you, this is the main income plan. Okay. But now I'm going to tell you the changes in the new policy. What the changes of the new policy has done. I just must tell you, the new changes are really, really, really very good. And that makes our business now very, very, very easy, because it is very, very, very beneficial for the preferred customer. Now just understand what is the new policy says. Earlier, until and unless we cannot complete the 2cc of business from our particular ID, okay, we are not eligible to build our team. We are not eligible to make our checks or to make our payouts, which we are getting monthly, right? But by the new policy, if you are talking about new policy, once the new policy has been started, now you are eligible to make your team from the very first level only, that is preferred customer level. Now you can start building your team. You can recruit the person from this level only, preferred customer level only. And also you are eligible to make your checks or payouts from this level only. Now there is no need to wait until 2cc, that we have to wait until 2cc, until and unless 2cc will not be complete we cannot expand our business. No, now the company has changed the policy, and according to the new policy you are now eligible to start your business from the preferred customer level only. From this level only you can start building your team, and you can also getting your payout on a monthly basis. Checks formation can be started on this level only. How? For making the new team, or for building the new team, or for taking the new checks from the preferred customer level, what you have to do, first of all you have to do the 400 points of business from your given ID by using the My Forever app India. Okay, My Forever app India is available in the Play Store. You have to download this app from where, register yourself with the help of this app only, filling your KYC, and start your business with the 400 points. 400 points is actually equal to the 5,000 rupees. Okay, means by purchasing of 5,000 rupees, or either by yourself or by sharing, doesn't matter, this is depend upon you. So by starting the 100 points only in a one time, you have to purchase or retail the 5,000 of products from your personal ID. Okay, now you are eligible to develop your business. Okay, from this level only. So once you have login with this for My Forever app India, and you have done your business of 400 points from your particular ID, now you are eligible from this level only to build your team. Okay, once you are starting the building of your team, from every person, from every recruited person, you are getting the 15% of referral commission. Okay, you will get the 15% of referral commission from each and every person, right? 15% discount at the preferred customer level will be the same, that will not change. Okay, so now you can start building your team by starting the business of 5,000 rupees from your main ID, as well as you are able to start building your team from this level only. After each recruitment, you will get the 15% of referral commission from each and every member of yours. Okay, and 15% discount on each and every product. Okay, so it means that there is no need of 2cc. No, it should not like that. 2cc you have to do. Until and unless you are not doing your 2cc, you cannot get the discount of 30% on products. You cannot get the 5% of cashback, and you cannot get the 20% of referral commission, because after starting the business with 5,000 points, you are able to develop your team from this level only, but the referral commission here you are getting only 15%. So where the 5% of commission has gone? Actually, this commission will be goes to your mentor. It means your upline. Okay, until and unless you are not completing your 2cc, whatever the recruitments you are taking, you are only getting the 15%, and 5% extra will goes into your upline, because he has already done your 2cc. Once you have done the 2cc, whatever the recruitments you are doing, you are eligible to take the 20% of referral commission, 5% of cashback, and 30% of discount on the products. Okay, and also after 2cc only, you are eligible to expand your business on an international level, because this new policy is only applicable in India. It is not applicable in other countries. For other countries, the business plan will be same as the first plan, which I have told you. Means you have to start with the 2cc. So to expand your business on an international level, this is necessary to complete the 2cc. But with the help of this new policy, this 2cc is very, very, very easy. With the help of this new policy only, you can collect the money from here and you can complete your 2cc as soon as possible. Okay, so this is the total income plan. Okay, and yes, this much only. Okay, and one more thing I just wanted to tell you, whatever the levels are given here, all the levels are constant, all the levels are stable. Suppose that you have completed your first level, so that this cannot be demoted. Okay, there is no demotion. You have achieved one level, so it will be stable, it will never be gone. So all the levels are stable. Okay, so this is a very good thing in this particular income plan of the